Here's the Hitachi V423 oscilloscope, 40 megahertz. I'm going to power it up so you can test. I don't have the electrodes. I had an engineer, neighbor, test it, and he said it was working fine, but of course it always needs recalibration. So I'm going to plug it in here, power it up. I don't know if you can see the backlight turn on. Flat lining right there. Playing around with the buttons. I don't have any electrical expertise, so I can only go on what my neighbor told me. He was an electrical engineer. Playing around with some more of the buttons. This is about the extent of my capabilities with the oscilloscope. Pressing all the buttons like a small child would. And that's the powered off. That's a Hitachi V423 40 megahertz oscilloscope.